Did you know that over 100 million people have already used Coursera to transform their careers? And that professionals with online certifications earn, on average, 25% more than those without additional qualifications? If you're thinking about investing in Coursera Plus, but still wondering if it's really worth it, this video will clear everything up for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. The tech job market has never been this competitive. Positions that once relied solely on experience now often require recognized certifications. And that's exactly where Coursera Plus can become a game changer for your career. In this video, you'll learn what Coursera Plus is, how it works, how much it costs, and most importantly, whether it's a smart investment to accelerate your professional journey. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed, strategic decision about your growth. Coursera Plus is a premium version of Coursera. Think of it as a Netflix for online education. For a single annual fee, you get unlimited access to over 7,000 courses, specializations, and professional certificates. Unlike the free version, where you can only watch classes, the Plus plan gives you certificates, hands-on projects, graded assignments, and direct support from instructors. Most importantly, these courses are created by top universities and companies like Stanford, Yale, Google, IBM, and Microsoft, credentials with truly global recognition. With Coursera Plus, you don't have to pay separately for each course. Everything is unlocked at once, meaning you can take as many courses as you want during your subscription period. The platform is intuitive. Just choose a learning path aligned with your field of interest, whether it's web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity. Each path offers a logical sequence of courses, taking you from beginner to advanced at your own pace. You can pause anytime and resume right where you left off, which is perfect for balancing work and study. Now you're probably wondering about the cost. Coursera Plus is approximately $399 per year, which breaks down to about $33 a month. At first glance, that might seem high, but consider this. An individual course on the platform ranges from $39 to $79. If you take just 6 courses in a year, you've already recovered the subscription fee. Plus, you gain access to more than 7,000 options. For tech professionals, the return can be even higher. A single certification from Google or IBM can increase your salary by thousands of dollars per month. For many, it's an investment that pays for itself quickly. Of course, there are downsides. First, you need discipline. With so many options, it's easy to lose focus and not finish any course. Second, much of the content is in English. Some courses have subtitles in other languages, but understanding English is essential to get the most out of it. Third, you need to set aside time, at least 3 to 4 hours per week, or you might waste a subscription. The real strength of Coursera Plus lies in its professional certifications. Innovative companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Microsoft value these credentials in hiring because the courses are practical and tailored to real-world demands. This isn't just abstract theory. These are skills you can apply immediately. If your goal is to land a tech job and boost your career, check out the courses linked in the description. They can be the first step toward a professional transformation. Another big advantage of Coursera Plus is networking. You'll study alongside people from all over the world, share experiences, build connections, and even discover remote job opportunities. It's a collaborative, stimulating environment where simply being in the right place with the right people can open doors. Here's a real story that shows the power of this platform. I know a developer who's been stuck for 3 years, low salary, repetitive projects, no growth. He decided to invest in Coursera Plus and focus on Google Cloud certifications. In just 8 months, he completed 4 specializations. With those certificates, he landed a new role as a data engineer at a multinational company. The result? His salary nearly doubled. A $399 investment turned into a raise of over $2,000 a month. That's today's reality. Companies are willing to pay more for professionals committed to continuous learning, and recognized certifications prove that commitment. So, is Coursera Plus worth it? The answer depends on you. If you're disciplined, have basic English skills, can dedicate a few hours each week, and are ready to invest in your career, then yes, it's absolutely worth it. But if you tend to buy courses and never finish them, or if you don't have time, start with free options first to test your consistency before making a bigger commitment. For beginners in tech, Coursera Plus can be a major differentiator. And for those with experience, it's an opportunity to specialize in high-demand areas like AI or cloud computing. My recommendation is simple. If you can afford it and truly plan to use it, go for it. But plan ahead. Pick 2 or 3 learning paths that make sense for your growth and focus on them. Don't try to take on everything at once. One extra tip. Coursera offers a free 1-week trial. Use it to explore the platform, try out some courses, and see if it fits your needs. It's a smart way to make a final decision. To recap, Coursera Plus is an annual subscription that gives you unlimited access to thousands of courses, specializations, and certificates from top universities and companies. It costs around $399 a year, but it can be a transformative investment for your tech career. The benefits include valuable certifications, flexibility to study at your own pace, and an excellent cost-benefit ratio if you complete multiple courses. The downsides are the need for discipline, English proficiency, and time to study. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for courses that can change the direction of your tech career. The future belongs to those who prepare today. Your professional journey can start changing right now. Take the first step. It's always the hardest, but also the most important. Invest in yourself. You deserve it.